Meaning of Father of the Chapel.
Father of the Chapel.
Father of the Chapel.
Father of the Chapel.
Father of the Chapel. The term Father of the Chapel originally referred to the leader of a group of printers in the early days of the printing industry in England. The phrase later evolved to refer to the senior member or elected representative of a trade union branch or local chapel. The Father of the Chapel is responsible for representing the interests of union members and negotiating conditions with employers. In summary, Father of the Chapel is a term used to describe the key union representative for a specific branch or group of workers.